Hello, what's going on everyone? And in this tutorial, I want to basically show you guys how you can actually connect your Trust wallet to your WCoin airdrop right here. And it's really very simple. And first of all, the network that they are actually using right now is Torn. Okay, even though they actually provide a means of you changing that if you want to, and you have to only do that one time. Okay, but we're going to basically connect to a network that is actually default for them right now. But if you want to check the network right now, if you check right here where they have this gear icon, you see that by default we'll have them Torn selected right here. So what this means is that if you are getting an address to get pasted into this, you are basically going to need to come with that of the Torn network wallet address. Okay, so that's just basically what we need to get from that of the Trust wallet. Okay, I want to go back one more time. And what we basically want to do right now is really very simple, guys. We are basically going to need to connect our wallet, but then this is where you need to go through to be able to connect your wallet, unless you have something like a pop-up that you can actually follow to connect your wallet. So I'm going to touch on this wallet icon right here, and it brings up this particular thing for me right here. So this basically means that I need to go out to my Trust wallet and then get my address and then connect it right here. Okay, I'm going to paste it in here and then click on connect down here. So that's just basically what I want to do. So let's get into my system or my phone right here, and I want to look for Trust wallet, which is right here. So I'm going to open that up. All right, so let me just log in right quick. All right, so this is my Trust wallet, and what I basically need to do is to take a look at this interface where it says something like receive. Okay, so I just basically want to go to receive, and it's going to open up this, and of course we have quite lots of networks right here that you can actually paste, but what we want is actually Torn. You can scroll through to find Torn, but I think it is faster to just type Torn right here, T-O-N. Let's make sure I type that correctly. I don't know why it keep putting Y right there for me, so let me just do T-O-N. That's Torn. Okay, Torn network. And if you get that right now, let's search for this. I expect to like really see that network right here. Okay, I'm gonna just basically select it right here. Look at it here. Okay, T-O-N. And if you have that really selected, check here, it's actually Torn. You can basically copy this icon right here by tapping on this. Tap on this to copy this link that we have here, or this address that we have rather. So I want to tap on this, and then what I want to do is to go back to the WCoin interface, and then I want to go ahead and then paste that address right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and paste that, and then we have that already pasted. We can go ahead and then click on where it says connect wallet right here. Okay, to connect. Okay, so if you don't trust this, you can actually go through the second link right here, but I think I trust them, so I'm going to just go ahead and click on connect, and it says I think that connection is actually correct. So they're actually going to give us like 20,000 worth of WCoin right here, so you can complete some actions, okay, to be able to gain this particular thing that they have right here by following the W community, which I think I'm already following them. Okay, so this is where they want me to come and then follow them, but I'm already following these people right now. Okay, so there'll be no need actually trying to really follow them. Okay, so that's just basically how you can actually connect this. There are some other things that you can actually do to be able to gain some extra coins on that of the WCoin wallet. Okay, but this is just essentially how you can connect your Trust wallet, the Torn network, to that of your WCoin. Okay, so I'm asking you guys for just one thing on this, and I just need followers. I want you guys to hit the follow button down there, or if you're watching this on YouTube, you can go ahead and hit on the subscribe button. And I also want you guys to share this video so that those people that haven't actually connected this can actually connect using this particular video or this step-by-step tutorial that we actually recorded right here. Okay, so I hope that you guys like the video, and you can help me know what I'm actually doing by hitting on the like button if you really like the video, and comment if you have any questions. Okay, even if you don't have any question, you can just say thank you in the comment section. Thank you guys, I love you all. Bye bye for now.